guys, hope you're all doing well. Thanks for being here again. This piece is inspired by Sara Taylor and her gorgeous cloudy pearl paws, and I'm using the sort of colours that Sarah uses, earthy tones, and I will show the colours at the end of this video. So if you want to see the colours that I used, stick around till the end. Right, I'll put some music on for you now and be back later.
find the one, you should never give her up. I think it's the way life changes when in love, yeah. I surround my soul with the positivity. That's why I don't worry about the things that I don't see, yeah. These days I don't worry about much. I think we should have some more fun. I still dream about the days when we were young. I'll take a hit and still finish and one, yeah, yeah. Oh, 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 oh. Memory lane isn't that too far away from our hearts, yeah, yeah. The ones we keep close, we should never let go. So tell me who you love, baby. Take a moment to unwind, fix yourself and realign yourself with the world, baby. Breathe slow, baby, yeah. We should breathe slow, we should breathe slow, we should breathe slow. We should breathe slow, we should breathe slow, we should breathe slow. We should breathe slow, we should breathe slow, we should breathe slow. We should breathe slow, breathe slow.
I'm so excited about this. It's so pretty. Oh. So pretty. Really delicate, but oh god, so pretty. I don't know how many times I've got to say that, but I love it. I love the effect of where I kept putting my finger in. It kind of makes it into a kind of a flower type effect. I think that's my favourite bit there. That's so pretty too. Sorry, I was too fast, it went blurred. So there's my Easter paw, my Easter egg paw. I love it. Okay then guys, so if you like it, please like and share it. Share with all your friends. And please subscribe if you haven't already, it really helps me out. And hit the notification bell so that you know when I'm uploading a new video, or when I have uploaded a new video. And take care, stay safe, and I'll see you all soon. Happy Easter, bye. Okay, I'm showing my colours. This is going to be at the end of the video. So these are my colours. I will list them in full because they're mixtures of 2 or more together, but I'm just showing you the actual colours and the consistency. I will show you this one actually. I've had this ages and I've never used it, by Folkart. It's chalk paint but it's metallic gold. So I'll mix that with some Pebeo precious gold. I've got this very antique gold colour. I will show you actually. This one I've shown you first. These two. This one is just on your red violet and Amsterdam Mortuum violet. This is Amsterdam Paynes grey and Amsterdam Prussian blue. I think that needs thinning out a little bit, not leaving any trace. And this is Amsterdam light rose. And I'm doing a split base, and this is it's just white paint with a touch of that this in it, just give it a bit of colour. Thin consistency, and then I've just got my normal white base. Okay.